This is the TEXA Navigator TXT. It comes from a family of scanners that are multi-make and they can handle pretty much any car in the world. Let's plug it in and see what it can do. We're plugged in via OBD16 pin. Okay, so the Navigator TXT is plugged in. We can of course put it anywhere on the vehicle because it's Bluetooth wireless. It even comes with a strap so we can hang it from the grab handle. But in this demonstration, so you can see it, we're just going to put it on the trolley. Now I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so this is the TEXA Navigator TXT. This is the IDC3 Plus software. We've got passenger cars, we've got coverage for bus, engines, light trucks and vans, trailers, semi-trailers, and of course trucks and motorbikes. We're using passenger cars, going to makes, we've got massive multi-make coverage. We're going to choose Citroen. Again, we've got all the models. This is not so much an auto-detecting system. C5, 2-litre HDI engine, and that engine code. Screen changes. We can now see all the different systems we can get into: engine management, body control, electrical system, chassis, transmission. If we go into engine management first, we just click on the empty line, choose diesel injection. Screen changes. We can do self-diagnosis. Choose Siemens engine because we know that's the one that this vehicle uses. We now go through into the connection screen. We get a video of where to connect onto the vehicle, which is a very nice feature on this tool. Can save you a lot of time. Tells you what cable to use, and now we can just press confirm and we'll connect to the head unit via Bluetooth. We connect it. The ignition is on, gives you the instruction down here. We press confirm to go into the ECU, and you can see all the instruction, all the capabilities down this side. So if we go into errors first, which are flashing, which is telling us there are already errors there, you can see cylinder reference. If we double click on it, you can see the detail down the bottom. Short or open circuit, fuel pressure signal, so on and so forth. We can clear them by just pressing clear errors. Delete errors down, press confirm. You can see in a second the colour will change to green, which indicates that they've been cleared from the vehicle and they're now just stored here, STO, for our reference. We go into live data very quickly. Nice clear screen. We can see 8 items at a time. The vehicle isn't running at the moment, but this screen at any time we can change it by just clicking on the end of any one of the lines, and then on any particular ECU we can change any item to what we want to see. So it's completely interactive. You can change the screen to whatever you want. If we want to see them as little built-in graphs, we can do. Of course, those will change as the items fluctuate. We can change them back again as we wish. So we've done live data, errors. Now we're going to statuses, 0 and 1, on, off status of components. Again, it's just non-dynamic data, and that's on this vehicle all that we can see. ECU info, again, just gives you the reference numbers and the coding information from the particular ECU. And activation of components. If we wanted to, again, activate the high-speed fan, we choose that, press activate. The instruction comes down below, up to switch on, high-speed fan's running, cancel to end. We can run anything else we like. These two are grayed out at the moment because that's settings and programming, and on this ECU there's nothing we can do. So we come out. We're back to the screen we were before. We go back a page. We go into the body controller, for instance, on this vehicle. Again, self-diagnosis. Go into the connection screen again. We don't need to wait. You can just press confirm straight away. We're connecting again via Bluetooth to the head unit. We're in, it's opening communication, turn the ignition on, press confirm. Okay, and again, we can look at live data in the BSI. So there'll be loads and loads and loads and loads of live data on this vehicle. As you can see, we can look at anything we like, change anything we like, as you wish. But again, where it comes into its own, we've got error codes, and no fault codes found. Status of components, is something on, is something off. Again, you've got a huge list. So we can see the status of any component of the vehicle and what state it's in. Then we've got ECU info. Again, all the supplier references. Activation of components, so we can run those windscreen wipers. We can do the indicators. Here's the windscreen wiper washer activation. This is where we can do some programming with the TEXA TXT, key programming, engine ECU learning, customer mode forcing. Altogether, an all-round excellent tool. The other thing that's very important about the Navigator Mobile TXT is that, of course, you've got wiring diagrams. I'll just take you into a central locking wiring diagram briefly. You've got all of this information built in as well, which is sometimes very, very difficult to find. And it's all in the one tool. If you want to find out where a component is, where's the ABS control module, it will flash and tell you. There it is. You've also got mechanical data, wheel alignment, tire pressure, air conditioning data. So mechanical data, injection system, tuning and emission data, starting and charging data, all sorts of data. This is where this tool really wins. Service interval and scheduled maintenance data as well. If you weren't sure on this particular vehicle what you should be doing at a particular service interval check, you've got the same data available to you as the dealer would have, and you can use it as a check report. So now we're in the ABS, so live data, we should be able to see all the wheel speed sensors. Here they are. The vehicle's not moving, obviously. Errors, there won't be any. Status of components, whether they're on, whether they're off. ECU info again. And of course, we can activate the pump, brake bleeding, etc., etc. So that gives you a brief overview of the TEXA software, which runs on its whole family of tools, from the TXT to the TEXA Pad to the Tribox and the Axoni 3. And the thing to remember, this not only has diagnosis for cars, it has it for trucks, commercial vehicles, vans and trailers, also motorbikes as well, plus technical information and fantastic support. Okay, that was a brief demonstration of the Navigator TXT and its capabilities. It can do cars, trucks, motorbikes, it's Bluetooth, it works from laptops, or because it comes from a family of TEXA products, you can control it with this, the very rugged TEXA Pad, which can be used as a control unit for this instead of a laptop in the workshop, or you can connect it directly to the car. And again, it can do cars and motorbikes. This one is the big daddy of the family, the Axoni 3. Again, car, truck, or motorbike, but mainly used by the truck industry because it's very, very rugged, very hard wearing. Last but not least is the TEXA Tribox. This is unique in the fact that we can take out the diagnostic module and we can put back in scope modules, multimeter modules, or even CAN bus analyzers. That's TEXA, a brilliant range of products Fantastic coverage of vehicles. Really pretty much unbeatable. We're really proud of them. Our customers love them. Brilliant for car, truck and motorbike. If you need any further information, please contact us.